This morning about 7:30 the most. We understand Romy and his daughter we lived together for quite a while. There was a landslide on top of him, and that landslide tear down a wall, fell into the house itself. And as a result of that, they came tumbling down into another neighbor's house. We found him wrapped between a tree, one of them cashew tree. The citizen cut him out. But then we are trying now frantically to find the daughter. We don't know exactly where the daughter is. We suspect the daughter could be somewhere beneath the mud and the rubble behind his neighbor's house. So we are here around trying to see how well we can get him out.
My name is Rosemary Leachman, and this is the Romeo Leachman, and early this morning around 7:30, there is a stone wall stop side our home. Otherwise my brother home, and while I was there trying to get the water out of my house, it seems as the stone wall with the banking came down on my brother's house. It took everything, also cover my brother. I can hear boop. But I went outside to look because I think it was the front of the wall touring down. But my next door neighbor, same time running up and started to cry, Rosie, 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 the whole of your brother's house gone. Me turn idiot. So me run come out and me look, me see my brother's house. So me start run up and down and I look for the house. So by running up and down and I look for the house, me not see it. So I went over and me look in the house down at the next lady home. That is Miss Mac house. So we come back down the hill, went round and went through our gate. There I saw my brother's bed, some of his clothes. I came there with a flat screen, and it was also done at Miss Mac house, while I wish it was the flat screen cover, not my brother. But it was my brother. While I was screaming out, he came and helped us, and we get to find my brother, but I know we don't find him. Well, before I came in, my brother always complaining about water coming through the stone wall. Them letting water through the stone wall down, and him, and they keep on let the banking come down and stuff like that. And that's it. The first time one side of the yard happened, it was the same stone wall that happened to lick down one side, but it didn't make damage to my house. But it covered my furniture and stuff like that. The water was coming from the back of the house, through the house, and it was flooding the house. So we was trying to get away the dirt and stuff from behind the house so that the water could stop. But right now we stop because we are doing something else. We are looking for my brother and my niece. So have you ever heard about a walking dead? Well, I am a walking dead, walking right now. It's like I have no breath, I have no feelings, but trying to keep up. My brother was a very nice person. He's nervous sometimes, but he was nice because last night I was talking about eating some breadfruit once this morning, and my niece, she gave a little too trouble. And then we have to fling too free. I thought like a harder for very bright girl from she small. Some 100, some big 100, still get that big 100. Reach her Queens. She want to become a bank accountant or something like that. We don't get our dreams. Our dreams have closed in 2020. I wish our dreams could carry on. While the banking was there and I saw my brother, I was wishing that she went out of the house early in the morning and went somewhere to some friend house to charge her phone because we don't have any light. She have class this morning, so what I was hoping that she was at a friend's house, but while searching, she's not. And she's not at her grandmother because there's an auntie here. So she's not her. So we are convinced she are in the house. I am not easy going back to Nigeria.
Oh, you're doing it. What's playing out, Charlie? You know, spread out. Get you, man. This is man.
Now come. Can't. Now video hunting, can't really take nobody right now.